ଚାବି ଟେବୁଲ ଉପରେ ଅଛି। The key is on top of the table. The key is on top of the table. ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ କାଶ୍ମୀର ଠାରୁ ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଭିନ୍ନ। ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ is completely different from Kashmir. ଦିଲ୍ଲୀ is completely different from Kashmir. ଦୟାକରି ବସନ୍ତୁ। Please sit down. Please sit down. ମୁଁ କେତେ ଦୁଃଖିତ ତାହା ପ୍ରକାଶ କରିପାରିବି ନାହିଁ। I can't express how sorry I am. I can't express how sorry I am. ସେମାନେ ବହୁତ ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ଅଛନ୍ତି। They are very busy. They are very busy. କାରଟି ବହୁତ ମହଙ୍ଗା ଅଟେ। The car is very expensive. The car is very expensive. ଆମକୁ କେହି ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି। Nobody is helping us. Nobody is helping us. ମୁଁ ତୁମର କଥା ବୁଝିପାରୁନାହିଁ। I don't understand your words. I don't understand your words. ମୋର କାର୍ କାମ କରୁନାହିଁ। My car is not working. My car is not working. ଆମେ କ୍ରେଡିଟ୍ କାର୍ଡ଼ ଗ୍ରହଣ କରୁନାହୁଁ। We don't accept credit cards. We don't accept credit cards. ପ୍ରବଳ ପବନ ପ୍ରବାହିତ ହେଉଛି। A strong wind is blowing. A strong wind is blowing. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ବାଧା ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ଦୁଃଖିତ। I am sorry to interrupt you. I am sorry to interrupt you. ମୁଁ ତୁମର ନାମ ଭୁଲି ଯାଇଛି। I have forgotten your name. I have forgotten your name. ମୋତେ କଲ୍ କରିବାକୁ ଭୁଲନ୍ତୁ ନାହିଁ। Don't forget to call me. Don't forget to call me. ମୁଁ ଏଠାରେ ଜଣେ ଅପରିଚିତ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତି। I am a stranger here. I am a stranger here. ସେ ମୋତେ କେବେ କିଛି ଦିଅନ୍ତି ନାହିଁ। He never gives me anything. He never gives me anything. ଦୁଃଖିତ ଏହା ସମସ୍ତ ମୋର ଦୋଷ। Sorry, it's all my fault. Sorry, it's all my fault. ଦୟାକରି ଏହି ଫର୍ମ ପୂରଣ କରନ୍ତୁ। Please fill out this form. Please fill out this form. ମୁଁ କାଲି ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ରହିବି। I will be busy tomorrow. I will be busy tomorrow. ମୁଁ ପୁଣି ବିଳମ୍ବ ହେତୁ ଦୁଃଖିତ। I am sorry to be late again. I am sorry to be late again. ମୁଁ ଏହାକୁ ଆଉ ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରିବି ନାହିଁ। I won't mention it again. I won't mention it again. ମୁଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଏହି ଜିନିଷ କିଣିବି। I will buy this thing too. I will buy this thing too. ମୁଁ ଏକ ବାଇକ୍ କିଣିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି। I want to buy a bike. I want to buy a bike. ବହିଟି ଟେବୁଲ ଉପରେ ଅଛି। The book is on the table. The book is on the table. ତୁମର ବହୁତ ପୁସ୍ତକ ଅଛି। You have too many books. You have too many books. ମୁଁ ମୋ ମୋବାଇଲ ହରାଇଲି। I lost my mobile. I lost my mobile. ସେ ମୋତେ ଅପେକ୍ଷା କରିଛନ୍ତି। He is waiting for me. He is waiting for me. ସିଧା ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ। Go straight ahead. Go straight ahead. ମୋ ବାଇକ୍ କାହା ପାଖରେ ଅଛି? Who is having my bike? Who is having my bike? କିଏ ଏହି ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ପଚାରୁଛି? Who is asking this question? Who is asking this question? କିଏ ତୁମକୁ ରିସିଭ୍ କରିବାକୁ ଆସିବ? Who will come to receive you? Who will come to receive you? ତୁମ ପାଖରେ କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ଅଛି? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? ସେମାନେ କେଉଁଠାରେ ମାଛ ଧରୁଛନ୍ତି? Where are they catching fish? Where are they catching fish? ଆପଣ ହକି ବ୍ୟତୀତ କ'ଣ ଖେଳନ୍ତି? What do you play besides hockey? What do you play besides hockey? ତୁମେ ମୋ ଘଣ୍ଟା କେବେ ଦେଖିଲ? When did you see my watch? When did you see my watch? ଏହା ତୁମ ପାଇଁ ଭଲ ହେବ। It will be better for you. It will be better for you. 10 ମିନିଟ୍ ପରେ ମୋତେ କଲ୍ କର। Call me after 10 minutes. Call me after 10 minutes. ତୁମେ ଏହାକୁ ନେବା ଉଚିତ। You should take it. You should take it. ତୁମେ ତାଙ୍କୁ କାହିଁକି ଯିବାକୁ ଦେଲ? Why did you let him go? Why did you let him go? ମୁଁ 2 ବର୍ଷ ପୂର୍ବେ ଦିଲ୍ଲୀରେ ରହୁଥିଲି। I used to live in Delhi 2 years ago. I used to live in Delhi 2 years ago. ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସେଠାକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ। You will have to go there. You will have to go there. କର ଯାହା କରିପାରିବ। Do what you can. Do what you can. ତୁମେ ମଦ୍ୟପାନ ଛାଡ଼ିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରିବ କି? Will you try to leave alcohol? Will you try to leave alcohol? ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଥିଲି। I wanted to help you. I wanted to help you.